Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am here with another product unboxing. So I have Homedics Shiatsu Pro Plus back massager with heat. So if you have a back pains and all that and you are looking for a good massager where you need sometime heat also, especially in the winter, then it will be a good thing for you. I will be showing you what's inside the box, how the machine operates and how effective it is. So please watch this video, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to that and press the bell icon. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is the back massager machine, and it comes with the instruction manual, and it has this power cable, and plus there is a remote control also. So let's see how the machine operates. So this is the control panel, and on the right is the power button, and on the left is the demo, and this one red one is a heat if you need a heat massage, and these are the different buttons to see where exactly on the back you want a massage. Let's say you want back on the top, and this is one at the bottom, and this is the whole back if you want to massage. And even if spot plus minus, it goes up and down if you want to see exact particular spot on your back where you want a massage. And this is the seat, like seat will be vibrating if you press that. So let's try that. So I am turning it on. So this is on now, as you can see. So I am putting up this one. So now back massage has started. So you can change the position, whatever position you want to massage, and like this, and you can turn on the heat. So the seat is also vibrating now, so I can turn on the heat also. As you can see, the red light is on, it means the heat massager is also on, so you can massage that way. It's very cool. So once you turn off the heat, so these red lights will be off, because these are the for heat massage, as you can see now. So this is very effective machine presently in the market, and a very reliable brand. So as you can see, the machine is massaging on the top of your back, and now it is moving down. So this way the machine massage the whole of your back. So this is a very cool and simple machine. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and leave your comment about this machine.